Welcome back, traders. Today, we're tackling a topic that can make or break your Forex journey. How to build a winning Forex trading plan. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create a plan that sets you up for success. Imagine driving to a new destination without a GPS. You'd probably get lost, right? Trading without a plan is the same. A trading plan is your GPS in the Forex market. It keeps you on track and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Without a plan, emotions like fear and greed take over. But with a plan, you trade with confidence and discipline. Your trading goals, be specific. Are you aiming for 5% monthly returns or building long-term wealth? Risk management rules: never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Trading strategy: will you use technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or both? Define your entry and exit points clearly. These 3 components are the foundation of a solid trading plan. Now, let's talk about execution. Once your plan is ready, it's time to test it. Start with a demo account to see how it performs in real market conditions. Once you're confident, go live, but start small. Even the best plans can fail if you fall into these traps. Overtrading: don't trade just for the sake of trading. Wait for your setup. Ignoring risk management: one bad trade can wipe out weeks of gains. Always use stop-loss orders. Chasing losses: if you're on a losing streak, take a break. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. And that's it. You now have the blueprint to build a winning Forex trading plan. Remember, success in trading doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and discipline. Thanks for watching. Likes and subscribe our channel for more tips.